When you are looking at your mother, you are looking at the purest love that you could ever know. Dear Mom, you are the greatest gift to our family from above, for you are truly the glue that holds our family together. You are the best mom that we could ever ask for, and for which we are forever grateful. Thank you for always making me feel like the luckiest child in this entire world. My home is wherever you are. I love you, Mom. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Dearest Mom, you've always been such a great role model for me, and I've learned so much just by watching at your actions. I'm truly honored to be your daughter, and I can't imagine my life without you. And words aren't unable to express how much I love you. Thank you so much for raising me prayerfully, and also thank you so much for raising me to be the person I am today. And also my deepest respect and sincere appreciation goes to all the lovely mothers out there who took the pain in raising their child. You all have embraced motherhood beautifully. Lastly, I want to wish Happy Mother's Day to my lovely mom and to all the lovely mothers out there.
I walk this life unwaveringly and adventurously. It is all because of your wiseful advices. Here is a line to you all the mothers. Proverbs 3:15. She is more than a rubies. Pero po nasala la kilimbyang aba. Asa ba? Pero mo nimong salam kyung shicho. Adung bu Jesu Christa salam mo toklo de kyung shicho. Makshi.
In your arms you held us. Little did we know, but you have given us the greatest treasure that will never fade in our heart, and that's your love. All that I am or hope to be, I owe to my mother. Happy Mother's Day to you all.
She sacrifices all her own security for the well-being of her children. And she is none other than our mother. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of the world.
Thank you, Mom, for everything you have done and keep doing for me. Today, what I've become, it's all because of you. Happy Mother's Day.
I love you, Mom. You are the most beautiful gift from God to me. Your lap are my heaven, and your arms are my protection shield. I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy